Good morning, children. Last week we have just seen the screen of Visual Basic and nothing else was explained. So let's go further. This is the icon of VB as told last week. Let me click it. When we click it, this is the first screen that comes in front of us, and the standard exe option is already selected. There are other things that can be done with VB, but for our purpose, that is for making most of the softwares in VB, standard exe is more than sufficient. So what we can do is, with this option selected, let me click the open button. So when I click the open button, this is the first screen, the second screen that comes in front of you. Now this is the screen of VB, as you can clearly see. Now today what I am going to do is, let me explain the various components of this form. Okay, now if you look here in this taskbar, it's called the menu bar. There are menu options like file, edit, view, and this is very similar to any program of Windows that you see, like Word or Excel, whichever software you open, you can find this menu everywhere. So when I click this file option, it gives me so many options that I want to open a new project, or open a project which is already saved, to save a project, to save project as print option. If I click here, you can see many options here, view also. So these are the icons which give all the options which we need in a Visual Basic, and it is common to all the Windows application. Now let's go to the next option. This is called the toolbar. Now if you look into the toolbar, what does the toolbar consist of? See, the toolbar is already providing us with some of the options which is there with the file menu, like new project, open project. This is the same thing that is shown here also, but these are the icons of those options which is most commonly used. For example, if I want to open a project, new project, if I want to add a form, or if I want to open a project which is already saved, if I want to save the project, this is my project explorer property window. You will come to know about this in some time. So this toolbar, it actually gives the option which we most commonly use. Okay, now the most important thing in Visual Basic is the tool box. The toolbox contains all the icons that we need to work in a Visual Basic project. Now, in case if this toolbox is not visible, suppose I click this cross button when you open the VB and this thing is not visible. So from where can you get it? You can go to view, and if you go down, you can see the option of toolbox. The toolbox is here. Now there is another option from which you can get the toolbox. You can come here. You can see this is also the icon of toolbox. So when I click this, the toolbox will come here. Now what is the use of toolbox? Now if I get a screen where there is nothing, like for example, let me run it. This is the icon to run my Visual Basic application. So when I click it, this is the screen of VB which is working, which is running. You can see that the entire screen is blank. I cannot do anything because there is nothing that I have to, nothing has been provided in which I can do the work, right? So toolbox is very important because it provides me with different tools I can use in my form. Like for example, let me click this option which is called label. Let me bring this label here. This is text box. So the moment you bring your cursor to these icons, it will tell you what these icons are. This is a label, this is a text box, this is a command button, this is a frame. So you can see this particular text which comes when you take your icon to different tools are actually called the tool tip. This command button, this particular text is called the tool tip, which gives me an idea about what these tools are. Now the another important thing, the various tools which is available in Visual Basic is also known as objects, controls, or tools. What are the three names by which we can call these things? This is object, this is also called as tools, this is also called as control. So we need these things to work in Visual Basic. Okay, so For your class, we will be only dealing with 3 controls. That is your label, the next one is your text box, and the third one is your command button. Click it, come here and drag and draw it. I mean, you have done it in Paint. If you want any shape in Paint, you actually click it, you bring it like this. The same thing we do with the controls. So if you want to get any control on the screen, you just have to click it, bring your cursor here and draw it. This is the first method. The second method is I can even double click. Let me double click this option. See, this comes here. So there are two methods to bring the controls on the screen. Either you just click and bring it and draw it, or you can just double click and the control will automatically come here.